Tonight, we're eating at one of Jakarta's most popular food streets, Sabang Street. Whilst we're in Indonesia's capital, it would be criminal not to try some of the world-famous food. After trying some sweet treats whilst exploring the Old Town in our previous video, on our last day in Jakarta, it's time for an evening full of deliciousness. It's just a few minutes away from our hotel, so it's the perfect place to enjoy some of Indonesia's best street food.
Good evening from Jakarta. We've come to Sabang Street, which is around the corner from our hotel. It was a recommendation from the lady at the front desk. It's a food street.
Yeah, there's a lot of things we want to try, but as you can tell, there is also a lot of traffic here. It is just a main road during the day, and during the night or the evening, a lot of food places pop up out of nowhere seemingly, and then there's smoke coming out of them, and it smells great, and it looks great. There's loads of things we want to try. Should we just start eating things?
Let's go. I think the first thing that I want to try, because I haven't had it yet, and I know it's extremely famous here, is the satay ayam, which is chicken satay skewers. I think it comes with a sort of peanut sauce. You found it?
Wait, padang is not chicken.
What's padang?
Padang is beef.
Padang is beef. This one here has a big vat of just sauce, but I bet they all have that.
Okay, so shall I try that one first? Here.
Okay.
Is this beef? Beef. Okay. Can I try? 28. Okay. For how many? 5? 1. One portion.
Okay.
Okay, sit down. Thank you. You weren't sure if that was 28 for one stick, but it's for one portion, so.
Thank you. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that smells incredible. He's just covered it in dried onions as well.
So I said a moment ago that I wanted to try the chicken version, but the first one we came across was beef. What you have is loads of tiny pieces of beef on a stick with some fried garlic, or fried onions, or fried garlic. Not sure, one or the other. And then it's covered in this satay sauce, which I assume, I don't know if that's just the name of the whole dish or if it's the sauce, because I know satay sauce exists, but these are also called satay, so we'll see. Oh, spicy. Oh yeah, sauce is really, really good. It's kind of spicy, not as peanutty as I thought it was going to be. It's more like a curry. This video is sponsored by Cooking Fever Duels, an epic mobile game where you can compete against other chefs in real-time PvP battles, running your own restaurant and serving customers as quickly and efficiently as you can. The faster you serve the customers, the more points you get. But you've got to be quick because these customers do not like to wait.
It's easy to play. The aim is to outcook your opponent with the main goal to climb the leaderboard by winning jewels and cooking up a storm in a variety of restaurants. Alongside this, you can also upgrade your kitchen and customize your chef avatar. Here's mine. It's a literal piece of cheese. So cute, right?
We've been obsessed with this game recently. It's a great way to relax and have fun, much better than endlessly scrolling through social media. We've been playing it on travel days, in lounges, or just anytime we want to take a little break.
You can play it anywhere, anytime. It's so much fun. And the best part, it is free to download on iOS and Android. Download Cooking Fever Duels now by clicking the link in the description box below or scanning the QR code. Let's cook up a storm together.
But it also comes with potato on the side, I think.
Oh, it's not potato.
What is it?
It's rice. Rice? Oh, rice. Okay. Like squished together rice. That's why the consistency was throwing me way off.
This restaurant, or this street food cart, is called Goyang Lidah in Indonesian. I had to translate it because I was just looking up the name of it to see, what they're selling. But it turns out they all have sort of names. And this one is called Shake Your Tongue. All right, that was delicious. Next thing, let's find something for you.
Yeah, although the rice with the sauce was already really delicious, but they have a lot of vegetarian dishes just in Indonesia in general. And I want to try one of them.
Let's go.
Yes. I mean, I do want to try this. Look. Yeah, we had martabak manis yesterday.
Yeah.
That was so good. I honestly haven't been able to stop thinking about it, so I feel like I need that again. Is it too soon for dessert already? Oh, that's more desserts. Wait, oh no, they can't just come out now with all the desserts. Really making me want something sweet.
Yeah. Asia has a lot of sweet things, and Indonesia is definitely one of those countries that also has sweet things. The martabak yesterday, oh my god.
That was amazing.
One of the best things I've ever had.
Tahu champur, I don't know what champur is, but tahu is
mixed
tofu though, right?
Yeah. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we sit here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tofu, egg, tofu mix,
Mix? Yeah.
tahu campur. 1. Thank you. Okay.
Luckily, in Indonesia, the letters are the same that we're used to, so we can kind of try to figure out what it might sound like. Terima kasih.
Okay, that was fast.
That was really fast. Oh, wow. I don't even know what half of this is. So this is tofu, for sure. This is like prawn crackers, a bit of salad, and noodles and pea shoots. So a little bit of everything. Whoa, that's really good. You know, it's like sweet, savory, a little bit spicy. To be honest with you, I have no idea what the sauce is.
Yeah.
Oh, and they got more of the sticky rice. This is so yummy. Oh, this is so good.
It's a little bit sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really good. And to think that all this food is within 5 minutes of our hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't expect this one to be this nice. That's really good. Terima kasih. 20,000 dollars.
20,000, that's £1 for a full meal. That's incredible. That was so tasty. It's creeping up on me though. It is hot, obviously, but also it was spicy and it got a little bit spicier as it went. So I'm really sweating. Right, should we find you a main meal?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Well, since I didn't get chicken earlier, I think I want chicken now. So let's find a chicken place. Maybe a chicken rice or something?
Oh yeah.
I think it's called ayam goreng. Now we're at the back of the shop, so I can't really see the names of the dishes. Because all the names of the dishes, the menu as such, is sort of on the outside. So here. So this is like nasi goreng.
I see ayam, but I don't know what soto.
Soto is sauce, like.
Sauce.
Watch out. Whoa.
The road is treacherous.
Okay, I found one called ayam bakar pondok hilia. So it sells
Oh, let's cross.
ayam goreng. No, don't go, don't go.
There was a guy legging it.
You really got to be careful
Yeah, okay, go.
after this.
Go now. Now.
Okay, we're good. Ayam goreng, 1. Yeah. Huh? What's that mean?
And rice.
And rice, yes, please, thank you. Oh, I didn't understand what he said. Oh, thank you. Wow, got some tempeh as well. Wow, I can see. What is it?
Oh, that smells so good.
Okay, so I've got a ayam goreng, which is chicken and rice, and it comes with a slice of tempeh, slice of tofu, 2 veggies, and what I assume is some form of spicy sauce there. But I saw that next door they were making the satay chickens, so I went for a portion of satay chicken on a stick as well, and these look more darker than earlier, don't they?
It looks more like satay sauce you'd expect.
Yeah, and I think I have about 10 of these, so I'm gonna give them a go. Let's grab one with some onions on top. So this is satay ayam. Oh wow, this satay sauce is nicer than the last one. This is more peanutty. Oh, really good. Oh, that is delicious. I'm not 100% sure, and you have to correct me here, but I think potentially the middle part is intestine. So you've got, you know, chicken meat, and then chicken intestine, and then chicken. I think, because the middle part is more soft. So it's delicious either way. As you can see, look. You see that?
Oh yeah.
But really good either way. Oh, that's nice and crispy. Should pour some of this on. Smell it. Doesn't smell that spicy. Chicken's really nice. The sauce is really spicy. You can tell it's just full of chilies and vinegar, I think. Not that sweet. Usually with some of these sauces, you expect them to be quite sweet, but this one isn't that sweet. So it's really good.
I'm really dying to try the tempeh with that satay sauce.
It's more peanutty, isn't it?
That is nice.
For those 2 dishes was only 55,000 Indonesian rupiah. That is really good. And
Yeah.
that was really tasty. Those satay chickens, so much nicer than the beef. Like just the sauce itself,
The sauce was delicious.
really good.
That was so good, and everything has been just because it's prepared right there, and the turnover is so fast. Everything is piping hot and ready to be eaten pretty much straight away. But it's high time now that we find something to drink to kind of break apart the food a little bit. Can I have one susu yahe? Yeah, one. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, this smells incredible. You can see a layer of condensed milk at the bottom, and then hot, what smells like just ginger milk. And I'm just saying milk because susu means milk. So.
Yeah, because it looks quite not like tea. It's quite milky, isn't it?
Yeah. That is so tasty. It's really gingery. It's like a little bit of a punch in the back of the throat, but in like a really good way. I feel like it's healing me. This is so delicious. This is so delicious.
Well, we've tried a few ginger teas in our time. So ginger milk. Is it ginger milk? Would you
Yeah,
say
I
there's
think
a
so.
tea involved or no?
It's so gingery. I wouldn't say that there's much else other than sweet and ginger.
Oh, wow. That is nice.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes just like condensed milk and ginger.
Yeah.
It's really
But
good.
like hot, wholesome.
Wow. That's really good.
This is like a 20 out of 10. This is the tastiest hot drink that I've had in such a long time. This is so good. I literally love it so much.
New favorite?
New favorite. Guys, that was so good. Susu yahe. 100% must try. Delicious.
Okay, now we've done the small snacks, we've done the main meal, we've done the drink. Now it's time for desserts.
Oh yeah.
We have to go back to that one we saw earlier, which don't exactly know what it is, but we'll find out when we get there. But he was frying something up that looked like sort of what we had yesterday, like the martabak thing. It could be martabak.
Yeah.
Should we have a look?
Let's figure it out because I want to eat it.
You like peanut or chocolate,
Peanut.
kismis, cheese, or mix?
Mix, but no cheese.
Cheese and chocolate? Okay.
No cheese.
No cheese. Oh, peanut and chocolate.
Peanut and chocolate. Yeah.
One?
One, please. Thank you.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
That's gonna be incredible already.
This place is called Martabak Bangka S1 Telur and Manis. And your name?
Al.
Al.
Yeah.
I'm
Nice to meet you.
I'm Dylan. Dylan.
Dylan.
Yeah.
Adriana.
Oh, Diana.
Oh, look at that now. Oh, the smell. Whoa.
Oh, beautiful. He's such a pro. It's like, ooh, ooh.
Butter.
Blueberry, mister. Butter is butter.
Not butter?
Yeah, this is blueberry.
Ah,
Blueberry.
blue
Blueberry.
pan.
Margarine.
Oh, margarine.
Ah.
Oh. Condensed milk.
Yeah.
Nice.
We really like condensed milk. Yeah. Oh. Wow. I did not expect that. Oh.
Thank you. Oh, it's nice and hot. Terima kasih. Thank you. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It smells incredible. So we have our beautiful martabak manis It is so much bigger than the one we got yesterday. Because this time there was no specification on size, it was just we're ordering one and here it is and it's big. Should I just try it?
Yeah.
Like one slice or double? I don't even
Probably
know.
double, right?
Whoa, look at that.
Wow. It looks so juicy.
Oh my god. Wow. This is so good. That is such a good dessert because the pancakey part itself is nondescriptly not that sweet, so it's not overbearingly sweet. And then your fillings could obviously be whatever you want. We've got peanuts and chocolate. Oh my gosh, so good.
Ow. Ow.
Very good.
It's good.
Very nice.
Wow. To have this street about 3 minutes away from our hotel is insane. Now, we will put the name of our hotel in the description box as always, so if you do want to stay in that hotel and come to, you know, the streets next time you're in Jakarta, then yeah, click on that link. So, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye!